Hi students, today we are going to learn about the topic plane figures. We have already learned about the plane figures. The plane figures are square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Our first figure is square. It is the shape of a square. A square has four sides and four sides are equal. This is first side, second side, third side and fourth side. So a square has four equal sides and each angle equal to 90 degree. We have to just measure using our protractor. So it is a 90 degree. Angle A equal 90 degree and angle B. Angle B is also 90 degree, angle C also 90 degree and angle D also 90 degree. That means all sides are equal. So all angles are equal, all sides are equal. AB equal, BC equal, CD equal, DA and angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D equal to 90 degree. So square means four equal sides and each angle equal to 90 degree. Then our next heading is rectangle. A rectangle is also four sides but opposite sides are equal. There are also four sides, first side, second side, third side and fourth side. But in rectangle not four equal sides, opposite sides are equal. That means these two sides are opposite sides are equal and these two sides are also equal. And its angle also 90 degree. We can use the protractor to measure the angle. Then angle A equal 90 degree. So angle B equal 90 degree, angle C equal 90 degree and angle D equal 90 degree. Rectangle means four sides but its opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degree. Our next figure is triangle. A triangle has already three sides and three corners. This is first corner, second corner and third corner. Then three sides means AB, BC and CA. This closed figure is also known as a triangle. Our next figure is a circle. We can draw a circle by using a compass. This is our compass. Take your compass and put the pencil here. Both the tip of pencil and compass should be the same length. First we draw a circle 3 cm radius. First we are taking 0 to 3 cm in your compass. Take 0 to 3 in your compass and draw a circle. This is the fixed point. That point is known as a center. This fixed point is known as a center. Usually we denoted the center, the letter as O. So the fixed point is known as its center. Every point on the circle is the same distance from the fixed point. Okay, this is our center of the circle. It is denoted by the letter O. Take any two points P and Q on the circle and join OP and also joining OQ. First joining OP and joining OQ. Then OP equal OQ. Both are same distance. The distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called as its radius. The distance from the center of a circle to any point on the circle is known as its radius. That is, OP is one radius and also OQ is one radius. So it is known as radius. The distance from the center to be the point P, it is one radius and the distance from the center to the point Q is another radius. So one radius is OP, then another radius is OQ. Then draw another circle. While drawing a circle, you touch only this position, not touching the pencil and also touching the tip of the compass, only touching the upper portion of the compass. Then this point is the fixed point and this point is known as center. Center is also denoted by the letter O. Then next we are going to study about the diameter. Then diameter means that a line segment passing through the center. Diameter means a line segment passing through the center. This is a line segment. It is passing through the center. It is known as a diameter. Suppose we denoted the letter P and Q. So diameter is always passing through the center. We can draw a countless number of diameter on the circle. It is a diameter. Then diameter means twice the radius. That means first line, it is the distance from the center to one point on a circle. OP is one radius and OQ is another radius. That means diameter is twice the radius. Diameter equal twice the radius. That means diameter equal PQ and the radius equal OQ one radius and OP another radius. Diameter is a line segment passing through the center. This is a line segment PQ. It is passing through the center. All diameters are passing through the center. Then we can draw a countless number of a diameter on the circle. Diameter means twice the radius. Here one radius equal OP is one radius and OQ is another radius. Both radius are passing through the center. That is known as its diameter. That means diameter equal twice the radius. Diameter is denoted by the letter D and the radius is denoted by the letter R. Diameter equal twice the radius. That means 2 times radius. Diameter equal 2R. Then reverse, radius equal diameter by 2. Then diameter equal twice the radius and radius equal diameter by 2. Here the diameter is denoted by the letter D and the radius is denoted by the letter R. Observe the given circle and answer the following. Our first question is find out the center. In this circle, the center is denoted by the letter O. This is the fixed point of a circle. The fixed point is known as its center. So the center equal O. Our second question is find the radius. In this figure, how many radius are there? There are 3 radius. Which are they? Our first radius is OD is the first radius. That is the distance from the center of a circle to any point is known as its radius. This is our center point and the distance from the center of the circle to any point. Here there are 3 points. So the distance from the center to first point is OD. So our first radius is OD is the first radius. Then second radius is OA and the third radius is OQ. So the first radius is denoted by OD. Then our second radius is OA. So our radius are OD one radius, OQ another radius and OA third radius. So there are 3 radius in this circle, OD, OQ and OA. Then our third question is find out the diameter. Diameter means a line segment passing through the center. Here is one line segment. That line segment is DQ. So DQ is a diameter. So diameter is a line segment passing through the center. That is DQ is a line segment passing through the center O. So our diameter equal DQ. Please remember not writing DOQ. Our diameter is a line segment. So write only 2 points. DQ is our diameter. Then our fourth question is write 2 points on the circle. On the circle means this portion. There are 3 points actually on the circle. That is the point A, point D and point Q. Here we want only 2 points. So we write selecting only 2 points, point Q and point A. Then next section, find the radius given that diameter equal 4 centimeter. Then using the formula diameter equal twice the radius. First we have to write the radius equal. Radius denoted by the letter R. R equal 4 centimeter. Our formula equal diameter equal twice the radius. That means 2 times radius 2R. Then write 2 multiplied by 2R means 2 times R. 2 times the radius. Then here given R equal 4 centimeter. So we just substitute in the place of R. Then 2 into 4 centimeter. Then we know that 2 4s are 8. So we get diameter equal 8 centimeter. Okay. Given that radius equal 4 centimeter. Our formula equal diameter equal twice the radius. That means 2 multiplied by the radius. Then equal 2. In the place of R, we just substitute the value of 4 centimeter. Then 2 into 4 centimeter equal 8 centimeter. Then our second question, find the diameter of a circle whose radius equal 6 centimeter. First we write radius, that means R equal 6 centimeter. Then using our formula D equal 2R equal 2 multiplied by R equal 6 centimeter. So 2 into 6 equal 12 centimeter. So we get diameter equal 12 centimeter whose radius equal 6 centimeter. Then our next problem, given that the diameter of a circle equal 18 centimeter, find its radius. In previous problem, given that the radius and we are find out the diameter. That means diameter equal twice the radius. Here find out the radius and given that the diameter. That means radius equal diameter by 2. So using our formula, radius equal diameter by 2. Here our diameter equal 18 centimeter. D equal 18 centimeter. So substitute in the place of D 18 centimeter. Then 18 centimeter by 2 centimeter equal. In 2's table, how we can got the answer 18? 2's table, how we can got the answer 18? Yes, 2 9s are 18. So our answer is 9 centimeter. Okay, then the diameter of a circle is given that 18 centimeter. We want to find out its radius. Then radius equal diameter by 2. In the place of diameter, we substitute the value of 18 centimeter. So 18 by 2 equal 9 centimeter. In 2's table, we got the answer 18 as 9 times. So we get the answer as 9 centimeter. Then one more problem. Given that the diameter of a circle equal 8 centimeter, find its radius. Then we write the diameter D equal 8 centimeter. Here we want to find out its radius. Then using the formula radius equal diameter by 2. In the place of diameter, we substitute the value of 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter by 2. In 2's table, we got the answer 8 as 4 times. So we get the answer of radius as 4 centimeter. Therefore, our radius equal 4 centimeter. In the question, given that the diameter equal 8 centimeter, find its radius. We know that radius equal diameter by 2. In the place of D, we just substitute the value of 8 centimeter. So 8 by 2 equal 4 centimeter. Then children, I hope all of you understood today's class. Before winding up our class, all of you do the exercise 8.3 in your text and notebook. Then children, take care. Bye. Thank you.